there was a controversy that PTIN chaps were kidnapped allegedly.
My lord, I have no knowledge of this controversy. It's not on the record. It's not been pleaded.
Please will you let me complete? Please will you let me complete?
As the Honorable Chief Justice,
please will you let me?
It is not what I know. It is what I can prove through record.
Please will you let me complete?
And I am now taking refuge in Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi's guidance to me.
Please
that my lord, I will answer questions which are.
सुन लेना जरा मेरा सवाल. Controversy had arisen. There were press conferences. The entire Pakistan saw that. Did the election commission, in accordance with its duty, inquire why it had happened?
I am not obliged to answer that question. It's a theoretical question. And I am not aware of the facts which I would need to be aware of in order to be able to answer that. As a citizen of this country, I didn't see any press conference personally, for instance. I solemnly say this. I am simply not aware of this, even as an individual. And there may be others besides us, my lord.
I take this answer that the election commission,
my lord, I said I am not giving an answer.
Refuses to take the responsibility of any illegality allegedly even happening.